In today's digital landscape, the idea of creating a faceless YouTube channel has gained immense popularity, and for good reason. These channels allow creators to generate engaging content without ever showing their faces, making it an appealing option for those who prefer privacy or simply want to focus on the content itself. With the right strategies, it's entirely possible to earn $5,000 a month or more from these channels. One of the key advantages of starting a faceless YouTube channel is the accessibility of free AI tools that can streamline the content creation process. From script writing to video editing, these tools can help you produce high-quality videos without the need for expensive software or extensive technical skills. Imagine the financial freedom that comes with earning $5,000 monthly from your channel. This income can provide you with the flexibility to pursue your passions, invest in new projects, or even achieve a comfortable lifestyle. So, let's dive into how you can leverage these free AI tools to build your own successful, faceless YouTube channel. Faceless YouTube channels are platforms where creators produce content without revealing their identities. These channels often rely on voiceovers, animations, or stock footage to engage viewers, allowing the focus to remain on the content rather than the creator. This unique characteristic makes faceless channels an attractive option for those who prefer to maintain their privacy while still sharing valuable information or entertainment. One of the primary benefits of anonymity in content creation is the freedom it provides. Creators can express their ideas without the pressure of personal branding or public scrutiny. This can lead to more authentic and creative content as the emphasis shifts from the creator to the message itself. Several successful faceless channels have emerged, raking in impressive earnings. For instance, channels that focus on niche topics like finance, technology, or storytelling have seen substantial growth, with some earning thousands of dollars monthly through ad revenue and sponsorships. These examples demonstrate that with the right approach, faceless YouTube channels can be both lucrative and fulfilling. Selecting a profitable niche is a crucial step in building a successful faceless YouTube channel. To start, it's essential to conduct thorough research on trending topics and audience interests. Tools like Google Trends and social media platforms can provide insights into what viewers are currently engaging with, helping you identify potential niches that have a growing audience. While trends are important, aligning your niche with your personal passions and expertise can lead to more authentic content creation. When you're genuinely interested in a topic, it becomes easier to produce engaging videos consistently. Whether it's technology, personal finance, or lifestyle tips, choosing a niche that resonates with you will keep you motivated and invested in your channel's growth. Finally, remember that niche selection plays a significant role in your long-term success. A well-defined niche not only helps you attract a dedicated audience, but also positions you as an authority in that area. By focusing on a specific niche, you can build a loyal community that will support your channel for years to come. In the world of faceless YouTube channels, leveraging free AI tools can significantly enhance your video creation process. For script writing, tools like ChatGPT and Copy.ai can help you generate engaging scripts quickly, allowing you to focus on refining your ideas. For voiceovers, platforms such as Natural Reader and Google Text-to-Speech offer realistic voice options that can bring your scripts to life without needing to record your own voice. When it comes to video editing, tools like OpenShot and HitFilm Express provide user-friendly interfaces and powerful features to help you create polished videos. To streamline your production, start by drafting your script with an AI writing tool, then use a voiceover tool to generate the audio. Finally, combine your audio with visuals in your chosen editing software. For enhanced results, consider combining multiple tools. For instance, you can use an AI script generator alongside a voiceover tool and then edit the final product with video editing software. This integrated approach not only saves time but also elevates the quality of your content, making your channel more appealing to viewers. Producing captivating videos without showing your face is entirely achievable with the right strategies. One effective technique is storytelling. Craft compelling narratives that resonate with your audience, whether through personal anecdotes, case studies, or relatable scenarios. A well-told story can draw viewers in and keep them engaged from start to finish. Incorporating engaging visuals is equally important. Utilize animations and stock footage to illustrate your points and enhance the overall viewing experience. Platforms like Canva and Animaker offer user-friendly tools for creating eye-catching animations, while websites like Pexels and Unsplash provide high-quality stock footage that can complement your content beautifully. To maintain viewer interest throughout your videos, consider pacing and variety. Break up longer segments with dynamic visuals, sound effects, or even text overlays to emphasize key points. Additionally, ask questions or include calls to action to encourage viewer interaction. By combining storytelling, engaging visuals, and thoughtful pacing, you can create compelling content that captivates your audience, all while keeping your identity behind the scenes. To increase the visibility of your Faceless YouTube channel, optimizing your videos for search engines is essential. One of the first steps in this process is conducting thorough keyword research. Identify relevant keywords that your target audience is searching for and strategically place them in your video title, description, and tags. This helps search engines understand the content of your video and improves its chances of appearing in search results. Engaging titles and descriptions are also crucial for search engine optimization, SEO. Craft titles that not only include your primary keywords but also pique curiosity or promise value. Your video description should provide a clear overview of the content while incorporating secondary keywords naturally. This not only aids in search engine optimization, but also informs viewers about what to expect. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of thumbnails. An eye-catching thumbnail can significantly increase your click-through rate. Use bold text, vibrant colors, and relevant images to create thumbnails that stand out in search results and suggested videos. By focusing on these search engine strategies, you can enhance your channel's visibility and attract a larger audience. Monetizing a Faceless YouTube channel can be achieved through various methods, starting with the YouTube Partner Program. To be eligible, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you meet these requirements, you can earn money through ad revenue, which can be a significant income source as your channel grows. In addition to ad revenue, exploring alternative monetization methods can diversify your income streams. Affiliate marketing is a popular option where you promote products or services in your videos and earn a commission for each sale made through your referral link. This approach works well with product reviews or tutorial videos, allowing you to recommend items relevant to your audience. Building a strong brand is also essential for attracting potential sponsorships. As your channel gains traction, companies may approach you for partnerships, offering payment or free products in exchange for promotion. By focusing on these monetization strategies, you can create a sustainable income from your Faceless YouTube channel while providing value to your audience. Tracking and analyzing your channel's performance is vital for growth and success. YouTube Analytics is a powerful tool that provides insights into how your videos are performing. Key metrics to focus on include watch time, audience retention, click-through rate, and subscriber growth. These metrics help you understand what content resonates with your audience and where improvements can be made. Regular performance reviews are essential for adapting your strategies. Set aside time each month to analyze your analytics data, identify trends, and assess which videos are performing well versus those that may need adjustments. This proactive approach allows you to refine your content and optimize your channel for better results. Additionally, audience feedback plays a crucial role in your channel's improvement. Encourage viewers to leave comments, engage in discussions, and provide suggestions. This feedback can offer valuable insights into what your audience enjoys and what they want to see more of. By combining data analysis with audience input, you can create a more engaging and successful Faceless YouTube channel that meets the needs of your viewers. In summary, creating a successful Faceless YouTube channel involves several key steps. First, choose a profitable niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. Next, utilize free AI tools for script writing, voiceovers, and video editing to streamline your production process. Focus on producing engaging content through storytelling and captivating visuals, while using search engine optimization, SEO, to increase visibility. Finally, explore various monetization strategies, including the YouTube Partner Program, affiliate marketing, and potential sponsorships. The potential earnings from a Faceless YouTube channel can be substantial, offering financial freedom and the ability to pursue your passions. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit from it. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.